secret ways. Roots dig deep, they never stray. The earth will hold you when you sway. Dub it again, let the sound rewind. Truths unravel one beat at a time. Dub it again, feel the rhythm align. Life is a circle and the bass line's divine. The bass line's divine. Mountains rise but crumble too. The wind will sing what it once knew. Chains can break, the spirit's free. Your soul's a flame, an endless sea. Breathe in the moment, let it grow. The future's planted where you sow. Yeah, dub it again, let the sound rewind. Truths unravel one beat at a time. Dub it again, feel the rhythm align. Life is a circle and the bass line's divine. The bass line's divine. Every echo a voice of the past. Every drop a wisdom that lasts. Hold the present, let it shine. The beat is yours, the world's design. The world's design. The sunrise, it don't ask why, it just burns the dark, kisses the sky. Roots grow strong, though the soil feels dry. A silent fight, they reach so high. Everblazing one love, it's the flame we carry. Everblazing one love, no burden too heavy. One heart, one fire, let the light never tarry. Everblazing one love, forever unwary. Storms may rage, but rivers don't break. They carve their path, whatever it takes. The mountain stands, no words it speaks, but in its silence the wisdom leaks. Rise like the smoke from the burning coals. Lift your spirit, connect your soul. Everblazing one love, it's the flame we carry. Everblazing one love, no burden too heavy. One heart, one fire, let the light never tarry. Everblazing one love, forever unwary. If life's a tree, let love be the root. If truth is a drum, let us play it true. If hope is a song, then we'll sing it loud. No chain can bind, no fear allowed. Soil of life, every seed's a clue. A farmer's hands, calloused and true. The sun bows low, the moon takes her stand. A cycle eternal, guided by no man. Oh, Jah, hear the ganja farmer's prayer. Give us strength, give us care. Through the storm, through despair, let the harvest grow. Pure and rare. Rain falls down like blessings from above. Each drop a lesson, each cloud a dove. In the field of struggle, we sow with love. Hope in Jah's wisdom fits us like a glove. The wind it whispers, the leaves they dance. A hymn of hope, a second chance. Oh, Jah, hear the ganja farmer's prayer. Give us strength, give us strength. Through the storm, through despair, let the harvest grow. Pure and rare. Roots grow deep in the soil of time. Wisdom climbs like a sacred vine. Life's a circle, no straight line. The fire burns, the smoke will rise. Open hearts, unveil the skies. Ganja healing, chant the way. Night to morning, break the gray. Oh, ganja healing, chant the way. Night to morning, break the gray. Let the spirit stay. Rain falls soft, washing pain away. Seeds of peace, they